Do you love dumplings? Kimchi? I love both. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to make kimchi dumplings. If you are not familiar with kimchi and you don't know how to make kimchi, you can check out my recipe. The link I will put somewhere here. You can use store-bought kimchi, but I will recommend you to use homemade kimchi so that you get all the goodness and the benefits kimchi offers. Dumpling has so much varieties. It can vary in shape, recipes, size, country-wise. Korean call it mandu, Chinese call it jiaozi, Tibetan or Nepalese call it momo. Let's not go into so much details. Let's make simple, tasty, healthy dumplings. Let's go. I'm going to make everything from scratch. First, I will make the dough for the dumpling skin. I have taken 200 grams or 1 cup all-purpose flour, using 1 pinch of salt and piping hot water to make it a nice soft dough. It's better to use clean hands to knead the dough. Once it's a nice, smooth, soft ball, I will leave it for 1 hour to rest. Now we'll marinate the prawns with little salt, black pepper, ginger paste and with little homemade pineapple vinegar I have made before. Going to use these ingredients for the filling. Basil and kaffir lemon leaves are my favorite, so I will be using little chopped basil and lemon leaves too. Squeeze the tofu as much as possible to drain all the water. This is the fermented kimchi I have made before, and now going to chop it nicely so that no big pieces will come into your mouth. The bean sprouts I will put in hot water with little salt for 15 minutes and later we'll slice thinly. Chop the spring onion thinly too. Now add everything in a bowl, add little sesame oil and little pineapple vinegar. You don't have to add vinegar since fermented kimchi smells bit vinegary, but since I have already, I am just going to add it. With little soya sauce and a pinch of salt, mix everything well. You can taste at this stage to know if your filling is fulfilling. Adding prawn and mix well again. Let's look at the dough now. Take some flour and now push, pinch and play with this dough as much as you want. It will make them delicate and beautiful. I'm taking a big chunk and will roll with a rolling pin. If it's too big for you to handle, you can take a smaller ball and make one by one. If you are looking for some experiment, you can use pasta sitter. Now use a cookie cutter and cut the small piece from the big round seed. It's faster. You can always buy ready-made dumpling seeds from the market if you don't want to get involved in play dough. I mean dumplings dough. My homemade, perfectly round shaped dumpling seeds are ready. The folding of dumplings are very interesting and it can be done in various ways. Today I am going to show you the most easy and most pretty ones. Hold the seed gently and apply little water with finger so that it will be easier to seal. Now add 1 spoon filling and bend it like taco. Seal both the side by pinching with 2 fingers. Now join the 2 ends, one after another, and that's it. My dumplings are ready for sauna. It's time for them to take steam bath. I have cut a giant lettuce leaves into 2 and brushing with little oil. You don't need to brush with oil, it will come up without sticking. But I have OCD, so I'm always extra careful. Adding 1 kaffir lemon branch or stick and few leaves to get a nice lemon flavor. can't wait to open the lid. It's 6 minutes and here you go. Look at those silky smooth and sexy dumplings. Let me try one. Piping hot, but I can manage. I like to present my food in an interesting way. I had sauteed some fermented asparagus and now combining with fermented mustard sauce, fruits and dumplings. The dumpling sauce I made with little vinegar, little soy sauce, grated ginger and some chopped chilies. And now let's look at this beauty one more time. Spongy, soft and juicy. If you like this video, comment below. Give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell button. See you again.